how to fix Shopify. This app is not compatible with your store. Now, before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. So if you get this error, this app isn't compatible with your store. It doesn't matter with which app you get this error from. You will just click on isn't compatible and it's going to display the reason why the app isn't compatible with your store. So for example, here ShipRocket is only compatible with stores that have a business address in these countries and sell in these currencies. Now, the reason why this app might not be compatible with your store can be different, but you will find out about it here. This is going to be usually the cause, and in order to fix this, what you need to do is go into markets, and right here you will have to create a new market, which is going to be United States, UK, whichever you want to call it. And the condition is going to be adding the countries here which are supported. So for example, here, if I type United, I can add all of these countries. Going to click on add. And then you also have to use the local currencies here, or if you want to change the currency, you can do so right here. And after you have set this up, then you should no longer get the error here on ShipRocket if you refresh. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.